Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered where your money goes, how people build wealth, or how to stop stressing about finances, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down basic financial concepts that everyone should understand. No complicated terms, no confusing charts, just simple money basics that can completely change how you handle your finances. We'll cover budgeting, saving, investing, compound interest, credit scores, and debt management. Whether you're a beginner or just want a refresher, stay till the end. This foundation can help you make smarter money decisions for life. Let's get started. Let's start with budgeting, the backbone of personal finance. A budget simply means telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. At its core, budgeting answers three questions. How much money do I earn? How much do I spend? And where can I improve? A simple rule many beginners use is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, food, bills, 30% for wants, entertainment, shopping, and 20% for saving and investing. You don't need to be perfect. Even tracking your expenses for 1 month can open your eyes and help you gain control over your money. Before we talk about saving, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. We share simple tips to help you manage money better and build a secure future, so hit subscribe and let's continue. Saving is not about leftover money, it's about paying yourself first. Before spending on anything else, set aside a portion of your income for savings. Start with an emergency fund. This is money you keep for unexpected situations like medical expenses or job loss. A good goal is 3 to 6 months of expenses. Even if you can only save a small amount, consistency matters more than the amount. Saving gives you peace of mind and protects you from falling into debt. Saving protects your money. Investing grows it. When you invest, you're putting your money into assets like stocks, mutual funds, or ETFs with the goal of growing wealth over time. One key rule: invest for the long term. Markets go up and down, but historically, long-term investing has rewarded patience. For beginners, start with diversified funds. Avoid chasing quick profits. Invest regularly, even small amounts. You don't need to be rich to invest. You need to be consistent. Albert Einstein reportedly called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world, and for good reason. Compound interest means you earn interest not just on your money, but also on the interest it earns. For example, if you invest early and stay consistent, time does most of the work for you. The key lesson here is simple. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. Even small investments can turn into big amounts over time if you give them enough time to grow. Your credit score is basically your financial reputation. It affects loan approvals, interest rates, credit cards, and sometimes even job applications. A good credit score shows lenders you're responsible with money. To build and maintain a good credit score, pay bills on time, don't use too much of your credit limit, avoid unnecessary debt, and check your credit report regularly. Good credit saves you money in the long run. Not all debt is bad, but unmanaged debt is dangerous. Good debt can help build wealth, like education or a home loan. Bad debt usually includes high-interest credit card debt used for lifestyle spending. If you have debt, focus on high-interest debt first. Make more than the minimum payment, and avoid taking new debt unless necessary. The goal is to make debt a tool, not a burden. Financial planning is about setting goals and aligning your money with them. Ask yourself, what do I want financially in 5, 10, or 20 years? Am I saving and investing toward that future? Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through discipline, consistency, and smart decisions over time. And that's it, the basic finance concepts everyone should know. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more finance and investing content, and comment below which topics should we dive deeper into next. Remember, financial freedom starts with understanding the basics, and you've already taken the first step. Thanks for watching.